Hello and welcome back to video 3. Previously we looked at how you can secure console and privilege mode with the use of a password. In this next video we're going to be looking at how you can deliver a message to a user maybe connecting remotely, and also maybe a user that's moving into privilege mode as well. I'm going to show you the various options you have for that. As you can see, task 3 is set up the following message to be displayed when a user connects to the switch remotely. You can see the message underneath there. Usually this contains some legal bump, basically saying any unauthorized attempts to connect to this router will be reported and things of that nature. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to fire up GNS3 and show you how we set those messages. So open a console. Oh, I forgot I have entered console password previously. Move it into enable mode, into configuration mode, and what we will see is the banner command. There are several options. In this instance we want to alert users who are about to log in to the router, so we choose login, and now we need to choose a delimiting character. It's a bit of a mouthful. This can be any character of your choice. In this case I'm just gonna use, let's use a $sign for fun. So just press enter, and then we enter the message that we actually want to be displayed to users. In this instance we already have it, so we'll copy and paste. Hopefully this works. So the first and last characters of the banner message are always so it can be any character you want, but they have to be the same character. So previously we used a $sign, so hit the $sign, and that's done. If we go back into the banner command and press question mark, you'll see some other options here. We have banner exec. This is exactly the same format. You choose a delimiting character. I can't speak today. And then it's just another message basically for any time anybody moves into a privilege mode on the router. Let's just put something random in there. Be careful. Okay, and last but not least, you have an option called message of the day, which is this one. Again, same syntax. We just need to enter delimiting character. Oh my gosh, I should probably re-record this video, but that's all good. Banner message of the day, delimiting character, yay, and then the message that you want to enter. Now the message of the day is basically just a message that will appear. It will appear before the login banner which we created initially, and what this is used for is usually to say, there's going to be some maintenance. It's the very first message that appears when a user tries to log on to a router. So I don't know, we can put maintenance, I can't spell, maint due on, what date are we on today? We'll say the 18th of February 2015. There you go. A little glance at my shocking spelling skills for a second there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to log out of the router now. We're going to attempt to grab console. As you can see, the very first message that we see is the maintenance message, which is the message of the day, which we mentioned previously. After that, we see the login banner, which usually contains the legal information. Let's enter the console password. And now we've moved into user exec mode. Even though we can't do a great deal here, we get the little warning, be careful message. Enable mode. And we're on the router making configuration changes again. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Oh, we'll save the changes. Another way, a quick way to save changes is to do write mem, and that will save your running config to your startup config. Of course you can do copy running startup config, which you've probably already seen in the series, but they're the two ways really. Usually I just do write mem as my method of saving my config. Okay, so that's the end of video 3, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.